Here are the health certificates and origin papers.
Thank you. Temperature is holding at 5.2. Everything seems to be in order.
Easy on the lift. Watch the clearance on the gate.
Got it, bringing it down slow.
Each individually wrapped Stingray hide bundle receives digital tracking labels linked to blockchain traceability systems, allowing complete supply chain transparency.
This shipment is priority 1, correct?
Yes, handle with care and log the grade.
The customer requires the high gloss finish. Verify the texture on these. Looks good.
Sending the sample to the lab via pneumatic line. The imaging system confirms the characteristic Stingray pattern.
Storing the data in the product passport now.
Our comprehensive material characterization confirms proper preservation treatment, meeting international regulations. This critical information transmitted to the cutting department, where advanced nesting algorithms will optimize pattern placement,
The thickness profiles are out of spec, and the defect rate exceeds the threshold. We must initiate a corrective action request for this supplier immediately.
Angry 4. 9.24. Integrated water management infrastructure incorporates automated backwashing filter systems.
9.2 primary rinse cycle initiates. Has 3,200 liters of softened water for effective rinsing.
Check this area right here. It needs more cleaning.
Yes, I see the residue. We'll send it back through. Advanced enzymatic cleaning and solution solutions with temperature-activated blends maximize catalytic efficiency.
To clean things. The complex textures here still show significant residual contamination under the UV light.
Agreed. We require additional processing cycle.
The final washing stage utilizes a specially formulated final wash at pH 7.2, specifically designed for
Comprehensive rinsing protocol implements 3 consecutive rinse.
Mechanical dewatering operation employs hydraulic press systems applying 200 bar pressure for water removal, carefully processing the thoroughly clean Stingray hides.
pH is at 7.0. Conductivity and turbidity look good.
Moisture content is also within spec. We can authorize the release.
Overhead gantry cranes with radio remote control operation suspended above the soaking vats. Workers carefully lift the thoroughly
9.40. Liming processing begins as African American male workers load 400 sides.
The concentration levels are fluctuating on drum 7. I'm increasing the rotation speed.
Confirmed. The hides need that consistency.
The current liming cycle shows sufficient fiber separation, but the matrix swelling isn't matching the reference images.
The liming process approaches completion, achieving target swelling and hair removal as drum rotation.
Sophisticated fleshing and splitting operations facility handles Stingray hide processing through mechanical removal.
Check the splitting tolerance on the monitor. Reading green across the board, right within spec.
Utilizing advanced manufacturing and automated material handling, we ensure every square meter meets rigorous standards.
Organ Nikali Taka, and Tant Umse, Balaka Santan Krishna. By saying Tunnel Prairies up, Paviko each and every.
The chromium levels are stabilizing right on target. Yes, the automated feed adjusted perfectly. The pearl definition looks excellent.
Sophisticated chromium tanning processing facility handles Stingray hide processing through chemical stabilization.
Professional chromer tanning processing proceeds as skilled Caucasian male operators manage the Stingray hide materials through chemical stabilization and leather formation. Advanced dyeing and color application continues in the specialized processing area, where Stingray hides undergo pigment penetration.
Check the color uniformity on this batch.
The spectrophotometer reading confirms it meets the premium standard.
The pigment penetration meets the 9.80 standard.
Excellent. We can release the batch for cutting.
The critical parameters are stable.
And the color uniformity on this piece is excellent.
Skilled operators utilize state-of-the-art technology for pigment penetration, incorporating robotic assistance and automated quality inspection.
The color uniformity is flawless on this batch.
Confirmed by the lab results, we are well within the rigorous standards for premium application.
Advanced dyeing and color application continues in the specialized processing area, where Stingray
The dimensional stability on this lot is exceptional. Confirmed. The caliper readings are perfectly within tolerance for the watch strap cut. Real-time monitoring shows we are within environmental regulations.
And the customer specifications for the straps are met.
System. Advanced drying and conditioning operations continue in this specialized processing area using German and
The fiber alignment on this batch is perfect.
Confirmed. The tensile strength exceeds the threshold by 9.97%.
Skilled African-American male operators manage the Stingray hide materials through fiber manipulation and texture development, employing state-of-the-art manufacturing technology.
To ensure the fiber manipulation meets the exacting quality standards. What is the current thickness?
9.1.
Check the fiber alignment on section 3.
Looks good. The robotic assist is maintaining perfect tension.
Advanced precision cutting and pattern optimization continues using German engineered.
The laser calibration is holding steady.
Quality scan confirms perfect adherence to the pattern. We are good for the next batch.
Advanced industrial stitching and assembly continues in this specialized processing area, where stingray hides are joined using
Advanced final quality control and packaging continues in the specialized processing area, where stingray hides undergo